Fairy Chimneys, Cappadocia, Turkey. The rocks that defy gravity. Cappadocia's fairy chimneys are tall rock towers with stone caps on top. They were shaped by volcanic ash, wind, and rain over millions of years. The landscape looks like something from a fantasy world. Lake Chimneys, Kazakhstan. The sunken forest lake. Lake Chimneys formed after a powerful earthquake caused a landslide in 1911. The water flooded a forest, leaving tree trunks standing upright from the lake. Under the surface, branches remain preserved in the cold water, like an underwater ghost forest. Seven Sisters Cliffs, United Kingdom. The cliffs that keep falling. The Seven Sisters are white chalk cliffs along England's southern coast. They look peaceful, but waves and erosion constantly break pieces away. The edge can collapse without warning, making this coastline more dangerous than it appears. Pink Beach, Komodo, Indonesia. The beach with pink sand. This rare beach gets its pink color from tiny marine organisms with red shells. When they break down, they mix with white sand and create a soft pink shoreline. Only a few pink beaches exist in the world, making this place truly special. Emerald Lake, China. The lake that changes color. This lake in Jiuzhaigou glows with emerald, blue, and turquoise colors. Minerals in the water and reflections from the surrounding forests create its unique look. Even though it is shallow, its layers of color make it appear much deeper. Whitehaven Beach, Australia. The beach of pure white sand. Whitehaven Beach stretches for 7 kilometers along Whitsunday Island. Its sand is made of almost pure silica, making it incredibly white and soft. At Hill Inlet, the white sand and turquoise water swirl together in changing patterns. Crowley Lake Stone Columns, United States. The hidden stone columns. For thousands of years, these strange stone columns were hidden underwater. When the lake level dropped, hundreds of them appeared along the shore. They were formed by volcanic ash and trapped steam rising through the rock. Pamukkale, Turkey. The Cotton Castle. Pamukkale means cotton castle, and the name fits perfectly. Hot mineral water flows down the hillside, leaving behind bright white calcium terraces. The turquoise pools make the place look like a frozen waterfall. Jellyfish Lake, Palau. The lake of millions of jellyfish. Jellyfish Lake is home to millions of golden jellyfish. Because they lived without natural predators for thousands of years, they lost most of their sting. Every day, they move across the lake following the sunlight. Molnar János Cave, Hungary. The hidden thermal cave under Budapest. Beneath Budapest lies a hidden underwater cave system filled with warm thermal water. The cave was carved over millions of years by geothermal activity. Its narrow passages and low visibility make it dangerous even for experienced divers. Rainbow Mountains, China. The mountains painted by nature. The Rainbow Mountains in Zhangye, Dangxia look like they were painted by hand. Their colors come from layers of sandstone and minerals deposited over millions of years. Red, yellow, orange, and green stripes stretch across the mountains like natural artwork. Lake Toba, Indonesia. The lake born from a supervolcano. Lake Toba was created by one of the most powerful volcanic eruptions in Earth's history. The explosion was so massive that it may have caused years of global cooling. Today, the calm lake sits inside the scar of a supervolcano. Mount Roraima, Venezuela. The mountain above the clouds. Mount Roraima rises like a giant island in the sky. Its vertical cliffs and flat summit make it one of the most dramatic mountains on Earth. Rain falls almost every day on the top, creating waterfalls that drop from its edges. Shilin Stone Forest, China. The forest made of stone. The Shilin Stone Forest is filled with thousands of sharp limestone pillars. Millions of years ago, this area was under a shallow sea. Rain and erosion slowly carved the rock into a forest made entirely of stone. Manpupaner rock formations, Russia. The 7 stone giants. In the remote northern Ural Mountains stand 7 giant stone pillars. Softer rock eroded away over time, leaving only the hardest stone behind. Some of these formations look like massive human heads standing alone on an empty plateau. Grand Prismatic Spring, United States. The Rainbow Spring of Yellowstone, Grand Prismatic Spring, is the largest hot spring in the United States. Its center is deep blue, while the edges glow with green, yellow, orange, and red. The colors come from heat-loving bacteria, but the water is dangerously hot. These places prove that Earth is not only beautiful, it is powerful, unpredictable, and sometimes deadly. Some were shaped by fire, others by ice, water, wind, pressure, or millions of years of time. They look like fantasy, but they are real places on our planet. Nature does not need imagination to create danger. Sometimes, the most beautiful places on Earth are also the most terrifying.